Hi, this is Sandra from Greyd. In this video, I'd like to show you how to manage all your websites easily and comfortably in one central backend with our integrated website management solution, GREYD.Hub. You can access GREYD.Hub via the GREyd.Suite dashboard, or alternatively for single sites via the GREyd.Suite menu, or in multi-site installations via the network administration. Please note that admin or super admin rights are necessary if you want to use GREYD.Hub. In this video, we will have a look at the first tab, Websites. Here you will find an overview of all your websites. By default, you will see all websites within this installation, or even website of other installations, more on that later. You can switch between different view modes, either panels or a reduced list view mode. Each panel or row represents one website. At first, you will see all relevant information on the respective website, a preview, which by the way you can disable if your installation is very big and/or your internet connection bad, the domain, title and subtitle of the website, as well as links to the dashboard, customizer and setup. You can edit the title and subtitle directly here in GREYD.Hub. Let's move on with actions. Here, or also up here, you will find our one-click website migration. With that, you can migrate a website from one domain to another within seconds. Just select the website and the target domain. With the toggle here on the left, you will migrate a cleaned version without historical data such as form entries, user roles, or revisions. With the toggle on the right, you can also create a backup of the website you are going to overwrite first. We definitely recommend that, as website migrations cannot be reversed. Then click on Start Migration, and you will find an exact copy of the original website on your new domain. Here you can see the backup that's been created automatically. And in your Hub dashboard, you will now find two exactly similar websites. As an alternative to the one-click migration, you can also only export a website or upload and export here. If you migrate websites within a multi-site or already have all necessary plugins installed, you can also use the content download, which has a smaller file size. If you only need the design settings of a website, so all the global styles are set in the customizer, you will find a dedicated Import-Export button here. And if you want to use one of our website templates from the template library or a custom template, this is where you can import the template and create new templates from this installation. If you want to learn more about working with website templates, you'll find a tutorial video in our template library in the Help Center. And this is how all the actions look in the list view. Further import and export options can be found in the tab More. You can switch tabs individually per panel or also centrally for all websites up here. Under More, you will then find import and export buttons for database tables, media and files, as well as plugins. And also the cleaned download versions. Last but not least, there's also an option to install, reset, or in case of broken database tables, to repair GREyd.Suite, and also to reset WordPress or delete a website. The tab Information shows you an overview of all activated plugins per website, as well as the theme version, blog ID, and admin email. Up here on the right, you can also search for particular websites. After some time, you will be reminded to refresh your page, since there might have been changes in the meantime in other tabs or from other users. Please make sure to refresh your page before making backups or any changes. So as you can see, with GREYD.Hub, you really have a great dashboard to centrally manage all your websites and also import and export elements within seconds. Creating new websites is also extremely easy directly in GREYD.Hub. Just click on the button and enter the domain, website title, language, and admin email of your new website. If you now go back to GREYD.Hub, you'll find a new website and can install Greyd.Suite with just one click, as just shown a couple of minutes ago. So here's the panel with the standard WordPress theme. And in the tab More, you can activate Greyd.Suite. In our Help Center, you will find tutorial videos on all the other admin features here in GREYD.Hub, like backups, database table management, or connecting various multi-sites or additional single-site installations.
For more videos and information, please visit our Help Center.